Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make crispy potato chips. Peel out the sweet potato using Y peeler and slice them thinly using Y peeler, or if you have mandolin you can use it for the safety, but I don't have, so I just use the Y peeler. You can use gloves, kitchen gloves. This is how it look like, how thin it is. And then once it's ready, add some oil in the deep frying pan and then heat the oil and then start frying. Wait until the chips become dark yellow or a little bit lighter brown, and then you can remove them from the oil. Put some wax paper under to absorb the excess oil, and then you can sprinkle it with white sugar and then just mix. You can also put salt or sour cream depending on the flavor you want. It's really crispy sweet potato chips. Some people they dried first before start frying. In my case, no need. This is very crispy and very easy recipe. Hope you enjoy my recipe today, and then if you like this recipe, please give me thumbs up and please subscribe. Bye bye.